Well, hello YouTubers, here we have a zombie Hucker jump bike. I don't really want to huck this off anything too high. It's not got any downhill forks on it. Anyway, so yeah, hucking's usually referred to jumping off of stuff, drop-offs, that kind of thing. This is a little 26-inch jump bike I picked up. Got it for a reasonable-ish price. Yeah, not a lot wrong with it, pretty basic. Similar sort of quality to things like Mafias and stuff like that, although they're kind of hyped up. This is, you know, they're made out of similar stuff to what this is. No 413 chromoly or anything like that on here, not as far as I know anyway. There's no disc brakes, so technically that makes the Mafia slightly better, but you know how unbranded and junky the wheels are on the Mafias. Yeah, so at least it's branded. Not a good brand, but a brand someone actually wanted to put their name on it at least. Unlike that Mafia we had the other day, which was just... No, I can't believe they have no brand name parts on them at all. There's just nothing. They're like made out of really cheap nastiness from Taiwan. I mean, loads of bikes made in Taiwan, including this thing. I mean, this is a cheap, crappy bike, but the Mafia is a cheap, crappy bike sold for twice the price. Sorry, it's just true, unfortunately. So yeah, standard steel frame, 25.4 with like jump bars on it. Of course, some of the Mafias have the BMX bars on there to make it into a wheelie rig. You can do that to any kind of jump bike if you want. Seat move angle looks pretty slack on this. Yep. So you know that's gonna. Think about the angle of this going upwards. It's going to put more weight bias on the rear end, so it's going to wheelie probably quite well. We'll wait till later to see if it wheelies. We have resident wheelie expert coming in to have a go. And yeah, 3-piece crank, very basic though. It's the older type. Right, yeah, you see when you got a bigger tube here, bigger bottom bracket shell. It means it's slightly worse in general than the ones with the ones with the smaller bottom bracket shell. But yeah,